Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: finding archived chats in Messenger for 2025. Whether you're decluttering your inbox or searching for an old conversation, knowing how to access archived chats can save you time and hassle. This quick guide is perfect for beginners, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Head to your device's App Store, search for Messenger, and install any available updates. This ensures you're using the latest features for 2025. Once that's done, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. You'll land on the main screen with your active chats. Now, look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines or a hamburger symbol in the top left or right corner. Give it a tap. In the menu that pops up, scroll down a bit until you spot Archived Chats. It might be listed under a Chats section or directly as an option. Tap on it and voila, your archived conversations will appear in a dedicated list. From here, you can browse through your archived chats easily. If you want to unarchive one, simply tap and hold on the chat, then select the Unarchive option. It will pop right back into your main chat list. A quick tip: use the search bar at the top of the archived chat screen to find specific conversations faster. Remember, archiving doesn't delete your messages, it just hides them to keep things organized. And there you have it. Finding archived chats in Messenger 2025 is straightforward. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.